This project is an electronic thermometer based on the LM35 temperature sensor. The LM35 is a temperature sensor that directly measures temperature in degrees Celsius. One important advantage of this sensor is that its output voltage is linearly proportional to temperature. In other words, as temperature increases, the output voltage increases proportionally. For example, every increase in temperature produces a corresponding increase in voltage at the output of the LM35. This makes it very convenient to use in electronic measurement circuits. The signal generated by the LM35 is then sent to an operational amplifier, the LM358. The purpose of this amplifier is to condition the signal before sending it to the display stage. For example, when the sensor detects a low temperature, around -7 degrees Celsius, the output voltage is approximately 0.08 volts. At this level, only the first LED or the lowest level of the display is activated. In this circuit, the LM358 helps adjust the voltage level so it can properly drive the next stage of the system. After the signal conditioning stage, the voltage is applied to the LM3914 integrated circuit. The LM3914 is responsible for converting the analog voltage into a visual indication using LEDs. It compares the input voltage against internal reference levels and turns on a corresponding number of LEDs depending on the signal level. Voltage against internal reference levels and turns on a corresponding number of LEDs depending on the signal level. So basically, the LM35 measures temperature, the LM358 conditions the signal, and the LM3914 converts that signal into a visual LED display. Display is activated. When the temperature increases to around 20 degrees Celsius, the output voltage rises to approximately 500 to 620 millivolts. At this point, several LEDs in the middle of the display turn on, indicating a moderate temperature level. Finally, when the temperature reaches about 40 degrees Celsius, the output voltage increases to approximately 1250 millivolts. At this level, all 10 LEDs are activated, showing the maximum temperature range configured for this circuit. In summary, this circuit works by converting temperature into voltage using the LM35 sensor, adjusting the signal with the LM358 amplifier, and displaying the result visually through the LM3914 LED driver. This allows us to monitor temperature quickly and clearly using a simple LED bar display system. Now we will wait until it reaches 500 millivolts, and we will see the LED display start blinking. The fourth LED starts blinking. Now we will move to the next container, which contains water at 40 degrees Celsius. All the LEDs should turn on at this point, because the sensor is registering approximately 1250 millivolts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more electronics projects.